Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yassine, and the OnePlus 6 came out almost 2 weeks ago. It was announced in Europe, and then it went on sale last Tuesday. And I went on their website and I ordered one, and then it was shipped like really fast because I got a tracking number the day after. And then by Friday, which was about 4 days ago, it came to my front door. And the crazy thing is, I was leaving for this past weekend because we had Memorial Day weekend here in the US. So I was going up to Michigan to visit some family. And as I'm walking out the door, the UPS, actually it was FedEx, the FedEx driver ends up giving me the phone. So I had this OnePlus 6 for almost 4 days now, and it's still here with me in its original packaging. And you know how hard it is to get a phone that you're excited about and you can't open it because you want to make an unboxing video? Well, that's what this video is. So let me show you guys exactly what comes in the retail packaging of the OnePlus 6. And let's not waste any more time because I'm super excited. So let's just change the camera angle here and check out exactly what's in this box. So this right here is the OnePlus 6. It comes in this nice white box, has OnePlus on the top. On the left hand side, it says the speed you need. On the other side, there's nothing. And then over here, it says OnePlus 6. And then in the back, you guys can see right there, this is the mirror black 128 gigs. And this right here is the one that has the 8 gigs of RAM. So I went ahead and paid a little extra to get that 8 gigs just because I wanted to see if that was going to be a game changer. And I've never actually owned an 8 gig phone before. So let's see exactly what comes in this box. So this right here is always exciting when you first take a phone out of the box. Ooh. This looks nice. Oh, it feels good in the hands too. Like, there's that mirror finish in the back. You see the reflection of the light and the other light on the other side. And this is going to be a fingerprint magnet, but I already knew that because I've seen a couple other people make some videos. Let me see if there's a juice in here. And if I press and hold, it'll start powering up. And this is actually my first OnePlus that I've ever owned, so I'm kind of excited for that. On the left hand side right here, you'll see you have the little switch alert slider, and that's got some kind of rubberized texture to it. And then you got the power button right here, right under it. And then, oh, there's that animation coming in. And then on the left hand side, you have the volume rocker. You got up and down one button. Very nice, very clicking, very nice textile to it. In the back, we have the fingerprint scanner, which is put in an angle that's not what I'm used to. And then the dual camera setup. We'll take that off, and then we'll see if there's one in the front. And then I'll go ahead and take this off. I always like doing this. This is like the best part of getting a new tech product. And that right there was the screen protector, and I should have probably kept it on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a glass screen protector because I don't like these plastic ones. They feel funny on the thumb, like the way the phone feels and the way the plastic ones feel are not the same. So I will be ordering a glass screen protector, but I think it'll be okay for the first couple of days while I'm checking it out. And that's it. Let's just put the phone to the side and see what else comes in this box. You know what? I actually do like the red box, so that's very nice. And if I can get my hands around it, we can move it over, and we'll see that we have this dash charger. And I heard a lot of good stuff about the dash charger, so I'm excited about it. That's a really big brick. It's actually quite long when you look at it, but dash charging. And then you get this nice red cable. You know what? I like the red cable. It's regular USB to USB-C. And I don't mind that. I wish it was USB-C to USB-C because most of the cables that I have are like that. But this one's pretty cool. It's red, it sticks out. I'm not gonna lose it. And I do like my color coordinated cables, so that's awesome. And then there's some just booklets in here. If I open it up, oh, actually there's more than just booklets in here. Okay, we're getting some stuff, So there's the SIM ejection tool right there. And then you got this booklet right here, which basically explains everything about the OnePlus 6. It's like a quick start guide. That's exactly what it says right there, quick start guide. So that's awesome. Let's put that aside and then see what else we have inside here. Warranty paperwork, let's put that aside. and then it says the OnePlus never settle. That's their slogan. I like that. And then when you take this off, you have the case. Let's peel that out, put it maybe somewhere in the back right here. And let's put this case in there. So it's a nice case, makes the phone a little bit grippier, which is always awesome. So that is the OnePlus 6. I'm gonna go ahead and get this phone set up, and I'm gonna go through the whole setup and use it for the next couple of days. And if there's anything that you guys want me to check out about this phone, or anything you guys want me to keep in mind for this phone, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below of this video. Also, I'll be doing a camera test between this phone and my Google Pixel 2 XL. That is what I've been using mainly on my phone, and so if you guys want to see that, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And to be honest with you, the first thing that I noticed right off the bat is that notch. I do like the fact that the display goes all the way to the top, but that notch, some people say it disappears after a while. We'll have to wait and see. This is the first phone that I'm using with a notch, but it's sticking out to me right now like a sore eye, and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't like that. I just want to make it go away. I know there's options in there to make it invisible, but we'll see. Anyway, like I said, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, and make sure you leave me any comments or questions about the OnePlus 6 and anything you want me to keep an eye on while I do my review. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.